Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can mirror your iPhone screen to your Macbook in just as one click, and the process is very simple. You just need to follow me. So whenever you're trying to mirror iPhone screen with your Macbook, you just need to follow some things. The first, your MacBook or macOS should be on macOS Koa. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this iOS or macOS version correctly or not, but it should be on macOS Koa. As you guys can see here at the end, you can read macOS Koa 15.3. So this is the requirement. If your MacBook is running on that one, you are good to go. Now in this software you will see in this macOS software that you will see this iPhone mirroring option there, right? So just turn on this one and you will see to connect your iPhone. So if you have multiple iPhones, you can change them by going to iPhone mirroring, right? And then hit settings, and you can change the iPhone here. And here I will change my iPhone, so it's iPhone 13 Pro selected. I'll choose iPhone only iPhone. That's my iPhone 16, and that's why I'm getting this pop-up. Hit connect and your iPhone will be connected, and make sure you enter the lock screen while you're doing the connection, right? So it says iPhone in use. That means I'm using my iPhone. If I just turn off the screen, lock the screen, iPhone will start showing the screen on the MacBook, and that's the pretty good thing. The thing is, we can use everything in my MacBook. Like my phone screen is cracked. Let us assume my phone screen is cracked. I can just simply turn on the iPhone's mirroring wirelessly. I don't need to press any of the allow button on the phone. So there you go, connecting to iPhone 16. As you guys can see here, now I can jump to home screen. I can use my phone. I can get whatever I wanna approach in my iPhone, right? So how's it? Do let me know in the comment section. That's the pretty good thing. I can use any application. I can open any app. I can open phone calls, whatever I wanna do, right? So that's it. That's the simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. If you wanna cancel or close the iPhone screen mirroring, you can just simply click on quit iPhone mirroring, and that's it. It will be done. So that's the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.